Your Excellency, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we would like to welcome up here the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Daniel Nikwate Titus Glover, to officially welcome all of us as we look.
His Excellency, the President of our Republic and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana.
Family I'm complaining to
I am privileged to stand before you today as we mark a significant milestone in the journey of our nation. This morning we are here to commission equipment procured under the District Road Network Improvement Program. I would like first and foremost to thank the Almighty God for in whom we live and move and have our being, for making this program a reality. Let me use this opportunity to express my deepest sense of gratitude to His Excellency, the President of the Republic, President Akuffu Addo, who has clearly shown his personal commitment towards finding innovative, homegrown solutions to the problem of this country. When the District Road Improvement Program was entrusted into the hands of J. Planpool for the supply of this equipment, we took bold steps to ensure that this project significantly benefits our nation. As a testament of our commitment to local content, a large majority of this equipment purchase was assembled here in Ghana. In the process, we employed about 2,000 personnel. We also required assistance from the Ghana Armed Forces through the 48th Engineering Regiment to support the process of assembly. Indeed, the opportunities created through this program is very fast, and we're looking at 5,000 individuals, including drivers, operators, mechanics, welders, sprayers, janitors, and many others. This initiative will not only support the economic growth of our country, but also empower Ghanaians with valuable skills and a stable employment. Our commitment to capacity building is evident in our ongoing efforts to sign a memorandum of understanding with our technical universities in Ghana. And Your Excellency, our partners Ligon and the University of Lizhou in China are going to sign a collaborative MOU with all the technical universities in all the 16 regions. This collaboration aims to train Ghanaian students in mechanical, electrical, and auto engineering disciplines, offering solutions such as skill training, exchange programs, internships, and employment opportunities. To provide real-time after-sales, we have, with our partners, 32 mobile service vans equipped with all tools to provide 24/7 to these equipments that will be deployed in the various districts. of states, honorable deputy ministers here, the coordinating director of the trade, Honorable Martin J. Mensah, Kosa, Minister of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, Honorable Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam, Minister of Finance, Honorable Francis Asensu Boache, the Minister
Concerner of Chinese Embassy in Ghana, distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. On behalf of Liu Kung, I would like to extend my heartfelt greetings to His Excellency the President and the entire governments of Ghana, as well as all distinguished guests, partners, and all the friends. Liu Kung was founded in Liuzhou, China in 1958, manufactured the first Chinese wheel loader in 1966. Today, Liu Kung has developed into a world-leading company offering over 30 product lines, include construction and mining equipment, industry vehicle, and the agriculture machinery. Since 2002, Liu Kung has established over 30 overseas subsidiaries, 4 overseas manufacturing plants, and 5 R&D centers worldwide. With more than 300 years cooperation, Liu Kung provides products and services to global customers in over 170 countries. Since 1990s, Liu Kung has been active in Africa through Chinese government's supporting program. Today, Liu Kung supplies equipment and services to numerous customers and major projects across Africa, with over 20,000 machines currently working in the field. Additionally, Liu Kung is dedicated to public welfare and social sustainability. Last year, we launched the Green Alliance initiative to support public welfare program in Africa. We started in South Africa and we plan to implement more in the West Africa, including Ghana, to provide clean water to local residents for a better life. It's now to all that Ghana holds a very important position in Africa developments, with dynamic economy and rich resources. We see great potential in Ghana's infrastructure and mining investments, agriculture development, and the industry expansions. Liu Kung is committed to supporting these activities by providing high-quality machines and the innovative solutions. The District Road Improvements Program will boost Ghana's social and economic growth. Liu Kung is honored to be involved in this huge national project. Our machines have been delivered to Ghana and will soon be distributed to 26 counties. For Ghanaian customers, Liu Kung offers not just products, but reliable after-sales service, technical support, and training programs. We are collaborating with GA Primpool to assemble these machines and establish a call centers and spare parts centers in Accra. Additionally, we have set up 16 service centers across Ghana and they provide service vehicles, special tools, and the training programs for Ghanaian engineers. I could say, where there's Liu Kung equipment, there's Liu Kung care. Moreover, Liu Kung will leverage its technological advantages and cooperate with the local Ghananese university to train the talents for engineering and maintenance for Ghana and the other West Africa countries.
The District Road Improvement Program, DRIP. This initiative couldn't have been materialized without the collaboration of the Ministries of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, Finance, Roads and Highways, and the District Assembly's Common Fund. This is a testament of the strong cooperation between state institutions to deliver the mandate of His Excellency, the President, to the good people of Ghana. Your Excellency, distinguished invited guests, the DRIP initiative marks a major breakthrough in our collective efforts towards enhancing the infrastructure and connectivity within our communities. The program is aimed at revamping and fortifying our local roads network by providing a set of basic road maintenance equipment to enhance local roads network and improve the maintenance, rehabilitation, and upgrading of roads across all 261 metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies in the country. This program is not merely about distribution of essential roads maintenance equipment, but also aligned with the broader objectives of decentralization and local governance, seeking to promote sustainable development and improve the quality of life of our people. DRIP therefore symbolizes a commitment to empower our local authorities, foster sustainable development, and ultimately contribute to the socio-economic development of our districts. I am filled with optimism, enthusiasm for the transformative potential that lies ahead. I therefore urge all metropolitan, municipal, and district chief executives to work assiduously by ensuring these equipment are put to good use and maintained at all times. As heads of the various local authorities in the country, you must work actively to champion the cause of the District Road Improvement Program. It is our expectation that this program will significantly enhance the capacity of your assemblies by bolstering resources, technical expertise, and skills for effective service delivery. Your Excellency, in addition to improving service delivery, the increased capacity will also foster a more professional and skilled workforce within the assemblies by investing in technical training and development. Your Excellency, on this note, I wish to express my heartfelt appreciation to all our partners, stakeholders, contributors who have played a pivotal role in bringing DRIP to fruition, especially His Excellency the President, and ably supported by the Vice President for the leadership, the vision, and compassion. I once again welcome you all to this lunch, and I'm confident that together we will achieve remarkable outcomes that will leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. Once again, you are all welcome. Thank you for your attention.